Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been confused about figuring out your face shape? Well, let me tell you, this is the only video you need to watch because in this video, I am going to give you a comprehensive guidance about knowing your face shape. By the end of this video, not only you will be knowing your face shape, but you will also know how to elevate your fashion game with this knowledge. Whether it is choosing your blouse neckline, hairstyle, choosing your eyewear, or even jewelry. Hi, my namaste to all you beautiful people out there. This is Soumitra, your next door jewelry and fashion expert. Before we dive in, let me tell you why knowing your face shape is so vital. Let's say blouse neckline. A round face shape may enjoy a V-shaped neckline, while a square shape may rock on a sweetheart neckline. If you talk about hairstyle, an oblong face shape may enjoy layered hairstyle, while a heart face shape may enjoy side-swept bangs. Let's talk about jewelry. A round face shape may enjoy danglers, while a heart face shape may enjoy chandbali, jhumka or roundedness, while a diamond face shape may enjoy none of these. So let me tell you the easiest way to find your face shape. Tie your hair neatly at the back of your head. Make sure no hair strands are in the front of your face. Look straight into your camera and take a selfie. Make sure while taking a selfie, your face angle should not be awkward like this, watching upward or downward or sideways, or no smile at all. You have to have your most boring straight face into the camera. If while taking a selfie, you feel that your face is making an angle, then you can set up your camera, start a timer, and then look straight into the camera without any smile and take a selfie. With the help of your camera or editing features or any third-party app, then outline your face structure and then compare with the image I am giving here. Does your face resemble with any of these face structures? Then boom, you have your face shape. Knowing your face shape is this easy. If you're still confused after this first step, let me tell you how you can measure your facial features and know your face shape. So here we will be considering total 4 kind of face shapes. One is face length, second is forehead width, third is cheekbone width, fourth is jawline width. First, let me tell you how to take this measurement correctly, and then by comparing these measurements, we will understand your face shape. Face length is very easy. Measure from the starting point of your chin to the starting point of your hair. Keep the measurement tape straight and you will have your face length. Forehead width. Measure across the widest part of your forehead, usually between the hairline and the eyebrow line. So somewhere here, from the starting point of this hairline to the starting point of this hairline, you can measure with a straight measurement tape and you will have your forehead width. To measure the cheekbone width, first understand what is cheekbone. So smile. Yes, see when I'm smiling, I'm touching this bone of mine and see where it ends. It generally ends below the eye level. So this is the end of both the cheekbones. So with a straight measurement tape, measure from one end to the other and note that down. Jawline width. Most of you know what is a jawline. See the lower part of my mouth? This is my jawline. Okay, and this jawline ends somewhere near the ear. So start your measurement tape and this time you can bend your measurement tape. Start from this point and go to the center of your chin. Keep the measurement tape along the face shape. And then once you get that measurement, multiply it with 2 so that you get the whole length of your jawline. So this is your jawline width. So now let's compare these measurements and understand what is your face shape. Let's first take square face shape. For a square face shape, all these 4 measurements will be almost equal. When I say almost equal, not equal to the decimal part, but yes, approximately half or 1 inch plus minus. So once you are sure that all these 4 measurements are almost equal, then you have a square face shape. See, square face shape does not have a pointed chin. It has a flatter chin such as I have and not an angular chin such as Rajkumar Rao. So that is why the cheekbone width, the forehead width, the jawline width and your face shape all will be almost equal. Now to the most cute face, that is round face shape. Your face length and your cheekbone width will be almost similar and you will have a roundedness all over your face, and that is how you know you have a round face shape. Heart face shape, your forehead width will be the widest part. You don't need to measure the face length here. Your face will keep on tapering towards the chin and make a pointed chin. That is how you will know you have a heart face shape, and a celebrity like Deepika Padukone also has heart face shape. Now the most ideal face shape, that is oval face shape. Your overall face features will be softer, no pointedness, no edginess anywhere on your face. The longest part will be your face length, followed by cheekbone width. Your forehead will be narrower than your cheekbone width and your jawline will even be narrower than your forehead width. It will be a perfect egg-like shape or an oval face shape, a long face shape or rectangular face shape. Remember when I told you about square face shape? It's just an extended version of square face shape. That means your forehead width, your cheekbone width, your jawline width will almost be similar, but your face length will be longest among all these four measurements. Now, a pear face shape or a triangle face shape. Your jawline width will be the most prominent in all your facial features. It will be rounded, the most widest part. It will resemble a pear fruit. Your face will be usually very longer. Among the wider parts, your forehead width will be the narrowest, followed by cheekbone, and the widest part will be your jawline. And this is how you will know you have a pear face shape. Diamond face shape. Similar to square face shape and rectangle face shape, diamond face shapes are edgy and you can see visible edges on your face. Diamond face shapes are usually longer. The widest part are their jawline and it narrows towards the top of your head. Are you still confused? Then don't worry at all. See, God made all of our face shapes different. We humans have categorized them into 6 or 7 shapes. We do not need to fit in a box or need to label our face shape to understand our fashion choices. Just understand the most prominent feature of your face and then you are good to go along with the choices of your fashion. Let's take examples such as round face shape. You don't know you have a round face shape, but you understand that you have roundedness or chubbiness all over your face. Then the simple thing is to go with pointedness, to go with linear elements as your fashion choices, such as hair strands in the front, such as avoiding chandbali or jhumka for your face, such as avoiding U-shaped neckline and opt for V-shape or a deep V-neck neckline. That will suit your face shape. Now see in the mirror, and if you think that the most prominent feature of your face is your pointed chin, then understand that you don't have to replicate in your other fashion choices, such as don't opt for V-shaped necklines because it will resemble your pointed chin. Don't go for pendant sets or long necklace sets. You have to have a roundedness to compensate your extra pointed chin. That is how you make your fashion choices. Curly hair strand in the front which comes down to your chin level will soften the pointedness of your chin. Let's say you think you have a very bulgy and wide jawline, but it has a curviness also. Then don't go for anything round such as jhumkas, chandbalis, U-shaped neckline. Also avoid wide up necklines such as boat shape. If you observe edginess and firm geometrical shapes such as in square face shape or diamond face shape, then you understand that you have to avoid similar geometrical shape earrings or similar necklines. You have to make them softer with roundedness. You can add volume and curliness to your hair to compensate the extra edginess in your face shape. Remember, understanding your face shape isn't about fixing into a box. It's about discovering what fashion choices works best for you and feeling confident about your choices. Play around with necklines, hairlines and jewelry to feel confident and make your perfect choices. If you find this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the future videos. You can also give video topic suggestions in the comment section below and I'll try to make videos on them. So this is Soumitra signing off for now, your next door jewelry and fashion expert.